Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be demoing a personalized email icebreaker for the med spa niche that I just generated. As you can see, that's firing off here. So as you can see, we're really just enriching an entire list here of leads, and it's scraping their site. So I'm going to go into the build. So once I click execute workflow, as you can see here, it's going to read our Google Sheet and it's going to get all the sheet data. And now we have it looping over each single row. And for each row that it pulls, it's sending an HTTP request to their website, which, as you can see in here, well, first let's go over the loop. It's literally just loop once. As you can see here, the HTTP request you get from pulling the individual row from the loop node, and that's coming directly from organization web URL from the sheet, and it's basically just sending the request, which gives us all of this HTML data. From this node, we're just basically formatting the data from HTML to just normal text, so it becomes really easy for us to read, and it limits the amount of tokens that we're going to be feeding into OpenAI. Once we get all the data here, so it comes through as an array from the HTML to text. So we just add this little JSON web data join, and it takes the array out. As you can see here, we are using 4.0 mini, which is a cost-effective model because we're only generating one sentence. And we have our prompt here, which I'll slowly go over. You can pause the video to get an idea of what's going on here. Sorry, that was a bit fast. And we have it to respond in the icebreaker format, which we are then going to use to append to our icebreaker row in our Google Sheet, wherever that thing went. As you can see right here, we're still chugging along, and this is going to get directly plugged into Instantly, which is our cold email sending platform. And you can see here we had a campaign go out, but I've changed the niche, so we're going to make a new campaign for this list. But yeah, from this list, once we load in the leads, we are going to automatically upload the personalized icebreaker, which is just everything that we have in the CSV that we download from our sheet here. So that's pretty much the entire build. It's super easy. It only took couple hours, and most of it was just building this list, so it actually only took like 30 minutes. So yeah, just another quick little overview as we have this running here. We're reading the Google Sheet, we're looping over each individual row, then we're sending an HTTP request to their website, and from there we are turning the HTML data into text with this node here, sending that text into an OpenAI with a prompt attached, giving it its role, which is just the standard prompt engineering basics, role, task, examples, guidelines, notes, and important information. Tells it what to avoid, and just the formatting of how it will spit that data out, which is just a one-line icebreaker. And then it attaches it directly to our Google Sheets with an update row, or append row, sorry, in the sheet. It waits 1 second just to make sure we're not getting rate limited by OpenAI's API, and it gets attached directly into our sheet. So that's all for this video. It was just a quick demo, and I will have the template linked in the description for you all to copy and use how you want. But that's about it. If you're still watching, thank you so much for the support. I hope you give us a like and a subscribe. You have a good one.